Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's Truckers Only video.
Down in southern Jersey where I was going to pay for fucking parking. And, probably... What the f*** are you doing? God damn, you stupid mother... Stupid mother... God damn, what the... You stupid
brake check no matter what. You brake check, you lose your service privilege. God damn, dude.
Have anything to say about all of the things that happened prior to her album dropping, the announcement, the pregnancy announcement? I love, if you feel the need to announce your pregnancy, and you don't have to, no one has to. I thought the way she did it was dope.
I thought this guy was just an idiot. But then he sped up, cut off the truck in the left lane, and brake checked. Maybe trying for an insurance payout.
911.
One person to give it to the president, myself, to make sure that he sees it. You've done, yeoman.
One of them is a business ring here. They're not just a swab.
Hands up. You ignorant mother.
Used to say, well, you know, used to say a lot of things. And I think they also used to say, that's probably cringe.
Corporations, even we get P&G, Kroger, Fifth Third, they require data infrastructure. We have more demands. Telling them that. You retrieve a hostage by creating a path, very, very narrow, for different.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.